The full mission simulator for the Tejas Mk1 with recent upgradations and changes on the aircraft is all set to be delivered to the Solar Air Force Station, which has the first squadron of the Tejas Mk1, and will be used to train new generation fighter pilots. The chief of the Aeronautical Development Agency has promised the deliveries of the upgraded Tejas Mk1 full mission simulator very soon, and the Indian Air Force has also started the process to create desired facilities for its installation. The Aircraft Research and Design Center of Hindustan Aeronautics has completed the structural design of the Tejas Mk1A, and new equipments for the integration of the Tejas Mk1A fighter jet will start arriving by the end of 2020, and the integration of new systems will begin by early 2021. The advanced features of the Tejas Mk1A will be proved on 2 limited series produced aircraft, and they will conduct around 200 flight tests to prove the new systems as per the requirements and satisfaction of the Indian Air Force. Officials have said that the metal cutting is expected to start 12 months after the signing of 83 Mk1A contract, and the first flight will be conducted by early 2023, and the delivery of 83 Mk1A fighter jets will be completed within 6 years from supplying the first fighter jet. Lockheed Martin has won a $181.7 million contract to produce and deliver 39 AQS22 airborne low-frequency sonar systems to the US Navy and foreign military customers, out of which Indian Navy will receive 24 sonar systems that will be integrated into MH-60 Seahawk multi-mission helicopters, and the Indian Navy package will include the helicopter-launched variant of the new Kongsberg's naval strike missile, new Mark 54 air-launched torpedoes and AGM-114 Hellfire systems. The AQS22 is the only in-service tipping sonar system with multi-frequency operation, which enables the Seahawk helicopters to accomplish the assigned anti-submarine missions. New reports indicate that the indigenous wheeled armored protection vehicle has a higher chance of being commissioned as compared to the high-mobility multi-purpose wheeled vehicle and the American Stryker infantry combat vehicle. The wheeled armored protection vehicle has already been tested rigorously to perform in extreme conditions for reconnaissance as well as logistics carrier mode, and it also gets an amphibious drive mode and independent hydro-pneumatic strut suspension. The 3 federations of the Ordnance Factory Board have issued the notice of a nationwide indefinite strike from 12 October, and have demanded to withdraw the proposed corporatization of 41 ordnance factories in the country, and have also demanded to establish an expert committee for studying the requirement and methodology for improving the efficiency, performance and accountability, along with independent research and development, and the power to enter into transfer of technology for ordnance factories. Chinese media has reported that China has started the sea trials of the first Type 75 amphibious combat ship, which was launched in September 2019, and it might formally join military service by 2022. A second Type 75 ship was launched in April 2020, while China is also building a third Type 75 ship, which are currently one of the largest amphibious combat ships in the world. A British specialist coating manufacturer known as Indestructible Paint have now been recertified for application by the Indian distributor Matcon Highcoats Private Limited, that will be used by the helicopter division of Hindustan Aeronautics, and around 300 newly produced and overhauled advanced light helicopters have already been coated with a system of high-quality epoxy primer for the composite airframe, and again overcoated with a 2-component polyurethane finish for both military and commercial colors.
Omar dropped it.